Good morning, friends. Welcome back to another vlog. If you're new here, my name is Tatiana, but you can call me Irie. And I recently moved to the United States where I'm currently teaching, and we are going to buy food today by ourselves out. I want to go and get some groceries today. I did go grocery shopping before. Actually, I went yesterday, but there's still a few things that I need to get. I left my list behind, and because of that, like, I just grabbed some stuff that I thought would be necessary, but I really want to cook today. I want to make a nice dinner today. Today is Sunday, actually, so yeah, I want to cook something nice. I bought chicken, I have rice, I bought potatoes. What else did I buy? Yeah, so I bought like a few stuff, but there's still like some other little things that I need to get before we go to the supermarket though. If you guys remember in the last vlog, I told you that where I'm staying is pretty close to like food places. I think there's a supermarket nearby, a cafe, but I also noticed that there is a Five Below. I need to get like a few things for storage for the bathroom, other stuff that I still have in packing cubes that I need to put away. So I'm gonna go and see if I can get that. I also need an iron because I have work tomorrow. I'm trying to avoid buying like big size items because I'm going to be walking and I don't want anybody to I don't want to stand out. I don't want to draw any attention to myself. We're gonna go to Five Below, then the supermarket, and depending on where, you know, places are located, I might be able to stop at the cafe to, you know, see what's going on there. So yeah guys, we're going off on our first adventure alone. So yeah, hopefully everything goes well because I'm not really in the mood. I'm not in the mood, okay? I don't want any stress. I don't want any stress. I'm just show you guys the fit. This is what I'm wearing. Minus the bed slippers, okay? Yeah, so this is my outfit. Just wanted something nice and cute, airy, you know, because it's still summertime. Guys, you know, me just realize me not get no summer all now. Me not just realize, me realize long time, but me just remember to tell you no. Me not get no summer holiday. That rough, you know? Like, I literally started working the day after I arrived here. I'm not used to that. August, my Jamaican teacher friends, oh no, say August is for August. Let me tell you now. July, I feel rest. Rest from all of the tiredness, rest from all of the stress, rest from all of the restlessness. Okay? August is for enjoying yourself, you know, going out here, there, everywhere with he, she, and the old lady, right? To just have fun and, you know, like at least the first 3 weeks in August, and then the last week in August we just use that and try to prepare for school. And don't let me tell. So it's like right now I feel like I'm still in holiday mode. Like I'm at work and obviously I'm working, but I'm in holiday mode, guys. In my mind, I'm in Jamaica at, I don't know, maybe boardwalk or like, you know, somewhere just a chill out on the beach side. Let's go because it is currently, I think it's some minutes after 12, yes. And I don't want to take too long on the road because I want to come back, cook, and then I have a few stuff that I need to get done for school. So yeah guys, let's go explore. Okay guys, just left the Dollar Tree. Apparently it was a Dollar Tree and not a Five Below. I tried to do a little look around to see what I could get or what I like, but I think I'm gonna go see if there are like any other shops around. I took a mental note of like the different things that I was seeing, so I'm gonna look around, then go to the supermarket, and if I don't find like other options for what I'm looking for, then we'll revisit the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's go. Guys, I just went by a clothing store that actually looks like it has really nice things, so yeah, we could probably check that out another day, but I'm excited for this little area. It seems to have a, you know, a wide array of different shops and stuff, so yeah, we'll definitely see. Okay friends, so on my way to the supermarket, I spotted a food place. This is called Jersey Mike's. So my belly responded and we got ourselves a sub, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it to let you guys know what it's tasting like. I didn't know what to order, so I just asked the girls to, you know, just do something. It's looking, you guys can see, this is very poor cameraman skills right now, but the camera have to take down the camera and all of that, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Whoa, this is a huge sandwich. This is gonna be very messy. Whoa. Guys, when I tell you that this is probably one of the best things I've had since I've been here, I'm not exaggerating. Like, this is so good. Like, I'm almost finished with it. That's how good it is. I don't like the fact that it's like falling apart though, because there's like a whole wall of meat that fell out of it, but it tastes so good. People, due to how me eat it, I never remember how I come out here for. I never remember how I come out here for. No, this is not right. I'm telling no lie. In a deer bad. $6 for one bottle of ketchup? No ma'am, no sir. No ma'am. In a deer, I'm not telling no lie. So I'm only gonna get a few things and call it a day, cause The thing is, I don't know if this is normal, but I have a very strong feeling that it is not. This one isn't so bad, so I'm gonna go with this one. So this is our cart, guys. I got some plastic wrap for sandwiches. Yeah, it's barely enough for a haul, so might as well me just show enough from now. Yeah, so this is what we're working with. We're gonna head back over to the Dollar Tree now, and then it's home time. So from Earth Fair, I got these scoring pads, plastic wrap. I got 2 apples, infamous ketchup. I almost left this, okay? I was like, listen, ketchup in Jamaica never give me no problem. So we got some Woodstock organic tomato ketchup. I got these cellulose sponges. Did not see these in the Dollar Tree until I went back the second time. That's very unfortunate. These were, hold on. Oh, sorry, wrong receipt. $3.29. So not bad. It's not bad. They had like 4 in there, so I guess that's not bad. Next, I bought this pack of soft facial tissues, and on this side it says, live every moment, laugh every day, love with all your heart. I think that's cute. And I came across these closet essentials collapsible storage containers, so I got 2 of the large ones and 2 smaller ones. So these will act as just kind of like a temporary solution for some of the stuff that I have in packing cubes still. So I'll just take some of those out, put them in these. And to hang stuff, I got 2 packs of hangers. So this is a 7-piece, 300 cotton swabs, vanilla scented garbage bags. These are the small bags for the bathroom bin. I didn't plan on buying this, but I also got a pair of slippers for when I come out of the shower. I can just have these to put on. I got a laundry hamper. I got some cotton rounds. Got these 2 hand towels. I'm gonna be using one for when I wash my hand and then the other one to dry my feet. I also got some goodie hair ties. I forgot to buy an iron today, and look, my pants is straight. Glory to God. if your sanitary napkin stash doesn't end up looking like this, like, are you even a girl? I basically put everything away. The only thing left is this other storage bin. This is the other large storage bin. The first one I put shoes that I don't wear often, and some perm rods. Yeah, I still have a few like skincare items and stuff like that, but over time those will be placed somewhere, you know, better. But for now, I just have all the things that couldn't hold in the smaller bins. I just put them in the large one with the shoes. And this one is gonna be for my towels. I want to get one of those bathroom organizers. The space between the face basin and the toilet is like really narrow. So I've been looking at some different styles on Amazon of bathroom organizers that I could use. I saw a couple that I like, and then with that I can just have all the skincare stuff and, you know, hair products and everything, and maybe the towels in the bathroom as well. I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you guys as always for tuning into the vlogs. I'm really excited about this space and all its potential, all the different things I could do. I'm really looking forward to when, you know, it's reflecting its owner or its tenant. I will see you guys soon. I'll see you guys next week. If you have not yet subscribed, definitely go ahead and subscribe, like this video, comment, share, all of those nice things, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.